Are your sensitive data exposed to the outside or attacked by a ransomware? Saving to a regular USB drive is an anxiety, and using a secure USB drive is cumbersome to install the program. Now do not worry. PairingU will fix this. PairingU uses the security authentication feature of your smartphone. When you securely authenticate with your smartphone via the app, your secure drive is active and will be automatically blocked when you move away from your smartphone. You can freely set your secure drive and normal drive capacity based on your important data. You do not need to install a security program on your computer, and you can use it on any OS. The PairingU can expand memory up to 1 TB, allocate security drive freely, and provide loss prevention function. We will protect your important data.
It is very convenient to unlock with smartphone.
I recognize it as the best security product in the world.
I am very happy to have my own secret drive. Thank you for watching.